I have a question. Do you know what infinity is? If not, let me explain. Infinity is a theoretical concept that describes a symbol, basically, that is greater than all numbers. Now, there are 5 concepts of infinity. I'm about to tell you about the 3 main concepts. Now, the 3 main concepts are mathematical infinity, physical infinity, and metaphysical infinity. Mathematical infinity is like what I said before. It is how infinity is greater than all the numbers in the world. Physical infinity is basically ultimate entities or gods that we know to be infinite. Main concept, but not least, is physical infinity. Now that is the spatial and temporal concepts of infinity. I told you, there were 5 concepts of infinity. Not 3, not 2, not 1, but 5. Now the other 2 are countable and uncountable infinity. Countable infinity is when you can count to infinity from 1, going 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Countable infinity is when you count from 1 to infinity by decimals. How is that uncountable? Well, it's uncountable because decimals are infinite. Mind blown. Yeah. But decimals are infinite, which means that you cannot count going 0.1, 0.2, 0.3. You have to go to the most infinite decimal, which is never going to happen because imagine that you have an infinite amount of strokes, right? And you take away 1,000,000. Now, how much do you end up with it? I want you to think this out. I will give you a minute. Time's up. If you say anything other than endless or infinite amounts, then you're wrong. Because since you have an infinite amount, no matter how much you take away, the amount that's left is still endless. On point, I know. That was an example of mathematical infinity. Right? Have you noticed how the number 8 looks like an infinity sign sideways? Well, there's a reason why. The number 8 stands for all the positivity in infinity.
Bruh.
Now, if you're happy right now, that's because of the number 8. Now, I have one question to ask you. Do you now know what infinity is?